Hello and greetings for the day. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Lamywood Floors. Today in this video, we are going to run through all the important things you need to consider while choosing the right flooring option for your house or your office space. The times have changed and post-COVID, we all subconsciously are going to start focusing on hygiene and health safety. The price of the flooring will also be a matter of concern. If you are looking to buy any kind of flooring solution for your home or office space, and if your decision-making process has been modified due to COVID pandemic, please let us know in the comment section below. If it has, you are at the right place. Situations have changed such that you, me and people in general are going to think twice before stepping out of their houses. Offices are slowly realizing that work from home is doable and is actually saving a lot of their operational costs. We all are going to indulge less and not encourage social gatherings, believe it or not, but it is actually going to be the new normal. You would agree with me that this change of increased focus on hygiene and cleanliness isn't fading out soon, but in fact capable of changing our lifestyles and decision-making processes forever. Hence, it is important for us to understand that along with focusing on the traditional decision-making criteria like price, the material of flooring, the finish of flooring, fitting styles, textures, we will have to also consider that we will be spending more time indoors at home. So along with the aesthetics of the place, the hygiene and health and safety aspects also need to be equal or in fact more focused on. As per our study, understanding and 15 plus years of experience in this flooring industry, if there is any material that can be the best fit, considering the material has to be antimicrobial, anti-allergic and not to attract a lot of dust particles, the option is between marble and wooden flooring. Marble flooring is not people's first preference as being very expensive, high maintenance, very difficult to install, slippery and it has limited options. That leaves us with the only choice, which is wood flooring. I am going to help you with 5 such unique characteristics of wooden flooring that make it your preference of flooring for your space after COVID-19. Wooden flooring is 100% antibacterial, anti-allergic and antimicrobial. The installation of wooden flooring in your space will tackle all concerns about dust particles, pollen, animal dander and any kind of bacteria as a threat to your family and your health, hence making it by far most hygienic option to choose for your house or office space. Usually all kinds of flooring demands a lot of maintenance on daily basis. In the case of wooden flooring, one swipe of cloth and it's all clean and beautiful again. With Lamywood and its new collection of water resistant and waterproof wooden flooring, you can also clean your house with a wet mop to keep up with the extra hygiene and cleanliness. Wooden flooring, you would agree with me, that it increases the aesthetics of the place exponentially. In fact, a recent survey with real estate brokers and builders showcased a surprising result that wooden flooring actually have the capacity of increasing the resale value of your property. What better time than this, when the real estate industry is tumbling down, to psychologically enjoy the increasing valuation of your house by making a smart choice of installing wooden flooring. COVID has affected a lot of our buying and spending capabilities due to the shortage of business. This is obviously going to continue until the economy stabilizes a little. And in such difficult times, it is best to have a flooring option that requires minimal maintenance compared to all other options available. Wooden flooring, along with being economical to buy, generally continues to be more graceful as they age. The flooring has the capability of sustaining a lifetime if you maintain it well though. Also, in the case of small damages, refurbishing the wooden floor is very easy and low cost. This brings me to conclude the top 5 reasons why you should consider flooring your residential and commercial spaces with wooden flooring options while and after the current situation of COVID-19. Lamywood since the last 15 plus years has been a customer-centric brand. To cater all our customers and their unique choices, we offer 3 major variants of wooden flooring: laminated, engineered and solid wood floors with various textures, designs, colors, patterns, finishings and functionality at the most competitive rates in the whole industry. For further queries, you can leave a comment below or choose to consult us for free on the contact details mentioned in the description below. Thank you and have a nice day.